So Rob, what happens when an engineer needs to field test a part and he needs, 10, 15, 30, maybe 50, because they need to put it in the part and get it out there for fit, form, and function? Well, I think if it's a plastic part, right away, injection molding's out of the question because
you're gonna
of
3D print that thing.
Because of tooling cost. Well, the next company we're going to visit actually got rid of that problem for you. So you can actually get real injection molded parts in the actual material that you need, so that you're not just faking fit, form, and function. This is the actual part.
There's no prototyping after this. This is your prototyping, and it's perfect.
And once you're set to go, you can go right into production because the tooling's already made, lifetime tool. Let him explain. This is Hardy from Ash Industries.
It's a SuperMold program. Take a look.
Wow.
What does this part and that part and this one and that one and these two parts have in common? All of them can be made with the SuperMold program. If you need an injection molded part about this size and you need to go from purchase order to first article in as little as 10 days, you see the SuperMold is applicable to any situation where you have an open and shut mold. Part fits within a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. Our process doesn't care what your part does. Aerospace, medical, consumer, retail, just doesn't matter. All that matters is that it fits in a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. So in the SuperMold, what in the world are you getting? You get a mold that has a lifetime guarantee. We're gonna start out by making 1,000 parts. The molding cost is included. We'll spend a little bit more money for the actual plastic pellets. After we're done, you have a mold. It belongs to you. We can continue making parts in that mold forever for you.